I'm Villasenor.
And I'm Vargas. Now today we're going to be talking about gravity. For the most part, people think of gravity and they think of something falling down.
This dude meant the wrong side of gravity.
While that is the case, we're going to specify today on something different. We're going to be talking about the center of gravity. Be sure to put on your safety goggles. This could get a little ugly. We should start off by defining exactly what center of gravity is. The center of gravity is the average weight of an object at a very specific point. What we want to do is start off by seeing some mathematical equations that we can show to see exactly how this gravity is found. If you look over here, we can look at our object number 1, followed by object number 2. Now as you can see, both of these show a very simple mathematical equation of exactly how you can find the center of gravity for very simple objects.
This picture of the can shows the center of gravity of two different points. The red dot represents the center of gravity when the can is full or empty, while the blue dot represents the center of gravity in the can plus the water. The can is stable and can stand on its own because the center of gravity is directly above the edge of the bottom of the can. The can still rotate due to the liquid fluid that conforms to the shape of the can, keeping the center of gravity constant.
Next we're going to show how the center of gravity can change in a specific object. Similar to like when the can was rotating, we have set up this quarter that sits on top of this bent bill. Now, when I pull this across, the center of gravity is going to change, but the quarter manages to maintain on top of the bill.
The trick is that you fold this bill into a V shape to make it easier for the coin to balance. Once you get it balanced, you slowly open up the dollar bill. The coin will shift and it will keep its balance on top, because of the center of gravity is directly laying the dollar bill and right in the middle of the coin, which keeps the quarter stable on a thin dollar bill.
With this specific object, we can see how even when something is complex, like these two forks, it will still look for its center of gravity. Even though it's balancing on something as small as a toothpick, the center of gravity can still be easily found, and these objects will balance.
We took two forks and wedged their heads together. As you see that the toothpick contraption balances on the toothpick at a 90 degrees angle because of the center of gravity. With the two forks and toothpicks, it's exactly where the toothpick is standing up and directly under it. As long as you don't shift it too much, it will stay there perfectly to stay balanced. As you've seen for the general shaped objects, there's a simple mechanical way to determine the center of gravity.
If we just balance the object using a string or an edge, the point at which it balances is the center of gravity for that object. I hope you gained a clear understanding of the center of gravity today. Thank you for joining us. I'm Vargas.
Villasenor, logging out.